unlike Miss Universe na napakalutong ng lutuan, no? Miss Grand International All-Stars is all about the show and the grandness of it all. Pure entertainment, pure kabog. Ito ang pageant na alam mong hindi nila kailangan kunin ang moral higher ground. They just want a good show.
I have one thing to say. You better work.
Alam mo, if we're going to talk about it, it is such a very perfect concept. Girls with past grievances, unfinished businesses, a thriving and aging gay population, no? And very, very strong fan bases, no? It is giving Pinoy Big Brother collab 3.0 with Swarovski crystals, no? Miss Grand All-Stars ang tunay na Super Bowl ng kabaklaan.